Experiencing glitches with your VW Polo's infotainment system? Let's clarify the difference between a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot is a simple restart, like power cycling your phone. It clears temporary memory issues, causing minor glitches like app crashes or lag. A factory reset, on the other hand, restores the system to its original settings, erasing all user data like saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings, and app preferences. Perform a factory reset only for deep-seated issues, such as unresponsive screens or persistent error codes. Access it via the settings menu. Always perform resets when the vehicle is stationary. Bluetooth and CarPlay problems are common in VW Polo infotainment systems. Start with a simple reboot to clear temporary issues. For Bluetooth issues, go to your infotainment settings and forget the device, then repair it. This resolves connection drops and firmware conflicts. For CarPlay problems, ensure your iOS is compatible. VW supports up to iOS 18 as of 2025. Try wired connections if wireless CarPlay is unstable. If these fixes don't work, perform a factory reset before seeking professional service. Remember to back up important data first if possible. Keep your system updated. Since 2024, 90% of new Polos receive over-the-air updates. Check for updates in settings or the VW app. They often fix Bluetooth and CarPlay bugs, reducing manual resets. If problems continue, visit a VW service center for free diagnostics, especially for older models pre-2023.